Uploading a product to a WooCommerce website, or you can call it as e-commerce website, is not that big challenge. But if you do it in a proper way, people might buy more things from you. So that we are going to talk about that one. How to upload a product with variations to your WooCommerce website and with lots and lots of information in a WooCommerce website. For example, if you're selling a red color t-shirt and a white color t-shirt same time, and red color t-shirt has a different description and a white color t-shirt has a different description, and also with different prices, different sizes, can you do that one? Yes, in a WooCommerce platform you can do that one. We are going to see that one in our beautiful video lesson today. And if you all haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel. Let's get into the subject and see what is happening today. Once you enter to your WordPress dashboard, to your left side, go and find your product and then click add new, and then wait until the screen get loaded to the place where you are going to enter your item detail. Now, once it is getting uploaded, you're ready and you're going to start uploading the product. Now, this is the place where you're going to name your product. I'm going to name it as JBL Extreme. I have a speaker, JBL Extreme 3 speaker. That is the speaker. So once I have done that one, I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to paste that one over here. Once I pasted, make sure to make it as a heading 2. So I did that one. Now your first and priority is to make a proper description. So for that I have some pictures and some wordings ready, so that I'm going to do that one. So you go into the add media and open your medias, whatever you have uploaded earlier, whatever you planned earlier. So I have this picture. I'm going to insert that picture. I have inserted the picture over here. I'm going to resize this one, and I have some wordings, so that I'm going to type that word here, right? So I'm definitely going to make this picture align towards the left side, so that the words will come exactly like this. And once I finish that one, I'm going to put another picture over there. It's going to be this picture. Lovely. So that picture was also added. Here you go. This picture I'm going to resize exactly as that one. Now I have the wordings for that also. So now I'm going to type that picture, and finally I'm going to align that one to the left also. Now you see that one, it is properly aligning, and I'm going to put the third picture, add media, and this is the third picture that I'm going to add. And that third picture is also added. Properly size it as per the earlier pictures. Here you go. And I have my writings for that as well. I typed the writings and like this, and I'm going to align that one to the left side also. Now I have properly inserted some beautiful wordings and the pictures and things like that. Now the description part is over. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the other things. The most interesting part is simple product. You are going to change that one to the variable product, because you are going to add some variables. So if you have any sort of video URL, you can insert any video URL. In case if you have a product review video URL in your YouTube channel, you can put the link over here, so that it will go along with your product. Now what you are going to do is inventory. Go into the inventory and you are typing the inventory. Say you have an SKU, proper SKU. Now I'm typing one SKU. This is just an example, okay? And you are enabled the stock management. How many product you have? You run about 50 pieces of that. And if you have any allowing back orders, what is back orders? Here you can keep the mouse and see what it clearly says. If managing stock This controls whether or not to backorder allow. Now, for example, you can allow the backorder and put a number. When the item is reaching 3, it will give you a notification. Now you come into the shipping portion. Shipping is the area where you are typing the weight. The weight of this particular speaker is exactly 1.968 kilograms. So you have to type the length, width and height in centimeters. So I typed that one, and then after that you're going to do the shipping class. I have already done the shipping part, and then shipping 01 is the one which I have made for my shipping, so I'm choosing that one. We'll see later another video how to make the shipping categories. Now you're choosing the shipping 01. And linked product is an interesting one also. When you're selling this JBL speaker, if you want your other speakers to appear down, you can do that one also. Now, if you want something else to appear, for example, I'm choosing 4 different items for that part. Okay. Now, if you have anything like this, you see this one, I have something called JBL Everest that I'm choosing. And if you have anything else, okay, I just keep choosing 4 items that it should come after that. Okay. So wireless, I'm choosing that one also. It should be like very much similar to that product, then it will be fine. So I'm choosing, for example, these things. Now cross sells is something which you can sell along with this one. If you are selling some items which is very suitable to JBL, you can put that one also. For example, if you are selling cells along with your torch light, so you can mark the cells as well. Or if you want to sell a cable along with this JBL, you can sell that one also. Now we are coming to the attributes part. This is the most important part. You're going to add the attributes. You're going to add what? Attributes. So you're going to add the attributes as color. Once you do the color, you're going to type the colors what is available to you. I have a red color speaker, and then after that I also have a black color one, and also I have a blue one. So I have done red, black and blue over there. That is interesting, isn't it? So now I am using used for variations. I'm ticking this, and once you have done that one, please save. Please click the save attributes button. So it is getting saved. It is done and the attribution is saved. Now what you're going to do, you're going to come to the variation now. And then once you come to the variations, give a little time for variations to get loaded. Now it is getting loaded. Now see, look at this one. Create variations from all the attributes you are choosing. Dropping down that one and click go. So yes, you are clicking OK. Get it loaded. Now 3 variations added. The notification is coming on top of this screen. You see this one. Now let it get loaded. And then click OK and wait. And click OK and wait until it get loaded. Now you can see the red, black and the blue options are now available. So you have to click somewhere here after this particular drop down box, and then you have to start entering your product detail. Now here, this is the place you're going to upload image. So let's find out the image of the red speaker. Now I have that red speaker. I have chosen that one, and then I'm taking this variation. So I have my SKU. So I'm typing the SKU also. So you can enable that one. If it is a downloadable product, that also you can see virtual one, and you can manage the stock also here. Though when you're talking about stock, you can say that I have 5 pieces available in this, and the variation price. So that is very important. Also, the price of that particular product now is 2,950, and earlier it was around about 3,500. Okay, so we are marking that all those 2 pictures. 3,500 is the regular price, and the sale price is around about 2,950. Here also you can put back order allow, and then when it is becoming 2, let me know that. Okay, so let's say that one. And the weight, that is also you have to type here. Now this is the one weight. I have typed dimension, length, width and height also I mentioned. The shipping class is same as the parent, or you can choose another shipping if you have. So I'm choosing the same as parent, and then I am here to type the description. I have typed that the suitable one, the blood red massive JBL original Pro Sound, 15 hours of playtime, IP67 waterproof and dustproof speaker. I'm typing this one, and I did that one. Same like that, you have to click here and you have to insert the black speaker. So I'm inserting that one. Once I have clicked the black speaker, I have to fill everything what I have done here. So let me do that one. Here you go. I have typed everything about the black massive JBL original Pro Sound. Now I'm going to click the blue one and I'm going to fill that one also. Now I have done, and I have typed all the three information for different speakers. So we have everything now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type a short description over here. I've typed here, enjoy the portable for 15 long hours. So I have typed, and it should be a very attractive product short description, so that it's a very interesting one as well. Now we have done this one, and we have done this portion. I'm going to come up and I'm going to choose the things what it's appropriate over here. The product category, definitely speaker items, and then you can put the tags as JBL. Yeah, I have the JBL tag, and I also have the speaker, and I also have portable. So I have make 3 product tags over here, and the brands definitely JBL I have chosen. Fantastic. Now post attribute is totally depend on your site. It is default template is the always good one, and the change channel visibility, Google listing and ads, you definitely want to have another video regarding that. Now product gallery is not required because already you have 3 speakers, and now I'm asking you to do this product image, which can be a good one. So I'm going to set a product image over there. I've already got one product image, so that I'm going to upload that one. This is the one with the strap. So that is the product image. So it's good to go, and I'm going to save that one finally. So I'm going to click publish. Once I'm publishing it, yes, it is getting published over there. Now you can see a blinking, getting a blink over there that it is getting published. And you can finally see the permalink over there. This permalink, you can right click and just open the link in new tab, and you can see your saved product over there. So you got the product over here. You see this one, how beautiful it is. Now your product is in front of you, and once you're clicking red, see the red color is coming over here. Once you click the black, it's coming. Once you click the blue, it is coming also. Isn't it nice? It's definitely good. So you definitely have all the information required, and you can see the SKU also changing as per your red, blue and things like that. Once you're clicking blood red massive JBL, once you're clicking black massive, and all this along with this, all the information, the prices is also changing. So your customer can see what is the price for the different types of speaker along with the picture. So he can just zoom it like that, and he can get a clear picture of what you're selling. And once you go down to the description, it looks beautiful also. You see this one, how beautiful it is. And we suggested these kind of headset along with this one. So you have to always suggest speakers to speakers. That's much better. So it is always nice. So this is how you are adding a proper image to your WooCommerce website. Now we came to know how to upload a product with the variations to your WooCommerce website. I'm going to see a lot of links down there in this video in the future and now. And of course, you came to know how to upload a proper video now to your WooCommerce website. And good luck to you all, and do a better result. And I hope and I wish you all get very nice result hereafter. And if you think that you want to have a website, you definitely can talk to us about developing a proper WooCommerce website and then upload your product. Good luck to you all. Bye-bye.